They've been trying to break into my apartment. They just broke the lock off of my screen door for no reason at all. And I am sending this information, these videos down to the White House. So I don't have any say. I've been renting this property. I haven't received any notice saying that I had to vacate. I'm in the process. I contacted the owners of the building, of the whole program, and I'm not in here as a mental health ward retard or homeless bum off the street. I'm just here for police abuse protection and domestic violence protection. I'm not here. I'm not in their RHD program or anything. I'm just here. I'm hyperventilating because I have a breathing issue, and he just came up here and attacked me and broke the lock off of my door. I'm on my way. I'm on my way now to where I need to go to. I don't need you to transport me. I need you to take a police report for me though. They just came up in here and attacked me. Yes, they just broke the lock off of my screen door. The lock is broken off of my screen door for no reason at all. You came up here and attacked me. You weren't supposed to pop up here at all. They're lying to you. They're black men that's lying. I'm forwarding the video over, and I need you to take an incident report. I'm not bothering them. They're bothering me.
All right, we'll be right over to talk to you. Want to have a seat real quick?
Yeah, I'm going to wait right here. I'm going to go. Matter of fact, you wait right here. I'm going to go to the store, and I'm coming right back. I don't want them in my property or not allowed to go on my property at all when I'm not there, and I have it in writing. I have it in writing.